If your ground is bad soil and nothing seems to grow there, don't worry. You can turn it into fertile soil with a few simple steps. We'll cover two effective methods, and the second one might surprise you. Building a raised bed garden can significantly improve your soil quality. A raised bed allows you to control the soil mix, ensuring it's rich in nutrients and well-draining. You can buy or build a raised bed frame using wood, bricks, or any available material. Fill it with a good quality soil mix, which can include a blend of compost, topsoil, and other organic materials. This mix creates a nutrient-rich environment for your plants, promoting healthy growth and yielding better harvests. However, if you don't have the resources to build a raised bed, there's an alternative method that works just as well. Start by digging a hole in the ground. The size of the hole should be comparable to that of a good-sized container. This method is essentially creating an in-ground composting system. Once you've dug the hole, fill it with compost or well-rotted manure. If you don't have compost, you can also use kitchen waste, dead leaves, and weeds at the bottom of the hole. These organic materials will decompose over time, enriching the soil with essential nutrients. It's important to note that these materials take a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks to decompose, so it's best to start this process at the beginning of winter, when your garden is not actively growing. After adding the organic materials, cover them with a layer of compost. This top layer of compost will provide an immediate nutrient boost to your plants once you start planting. If you start this process in winter, by the time spring comes around, your soil will be rich and ready for planting. To keep track of where you've dug the holes and added the compost, stick some markers into the ground. This will help you remember where to plant your seeds or seedlings when the planting season begins. By the time you are ready to plant, the organic materials at the bottom of the hole will have broken down, turning into rich, fertile soil that will support the healthy growth of your plants. By using these two methods, you can turn poor soil into a thriving garden bed. Raised beds offer a controlled environment for growing, while the in-ground composting method enhances soil quality naturally and sustainably. Both methods are effective and can be tailored to suit your resources and needs. With a bit of effort and patience, you'll transform your garden into a productive space, yielding abundant harvests. Please feel free to share any effective organic methods you may have in the comments section below. For additional recipes and comprehensive instructions on Create Your Time, and if you want more gardening advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other videos.